This is Norman Patterson, the YellowJacket Expert. Today is August 21st, 2023 for a point of reference. Today I'm in Higganum, Connecticut, and the nests are getting big. If you follow my channel, you'll see the nests getting bigger and bigger. I collect yellow jackets, hornets, and wasps for medical labs. I remove them for people here in Connecticut for a fee, and the insects are used for sting allergy patients. And as you can see above me is a monster nest. I don't know if you can actually tell how big it is, but this one is really a beast. I'm going to try to get close. And I demonstrated recently a yellow hornet nest. I know they're not hornets, they're yellow jackets, and these are actually yellow jackets too. These are D. maculata, white-faced hornets in layman's term. And I'm going to show just how dangerous these things can be as well. So let me turn the camera around and give you a little bit of a demonstration. Yeah, this is a really big nest. I mean, I can't even, maybe I got, yeah, a little bit of a close-up there. Give you an idea. This thing is a beast. Okay, let's go up, start getting them. I'm not even gonna try to get them riled up. They're just gonna get riled up on their own. I can't get too close just because of the wooden platform that makes it difficult. But I hope that you can get an understanding just how big this nest is. Let's put my hand, I'm gonna try to put my hand next to it like I did in another video. There's my hand. Yeah, I can't really. You want to see hornets? Here we go. You think those yellow hornets are terrifying? These guys. Oh man, I'm telling you. Yes, sir. This. Now this is dangerous. I don't know if you can see them. They're all over my phone. They're all over me. Well, I guess they're not so much. They're going crazy on this light. And what they do is they fly around and they hit the nest. They hit the nest, they come back and tell the rest of them. And there's a pheromone in the air that is telling everybody to go crazy, to sting. You see that? This is not lit up as well as it should. Wow! Wow! This is a piece of the nest. You're getting an idea? I'm a little freaked out, to tell you the truth, and I do this every day. I usually don't let them get out of control. So this is Norman Patterson, the YellowJacket Expert. I'm going to collect these without using pesticides, poisons, or chemicals. They're going to be used for sting allergy patients, and I'll get rid of this nest for these people. Be careful out there, folks. Watch out for traffic, because once they get going like this, they are super, super dangerous. There you go. Can you hear them? Wow, wow. Here, I gotta show you one more time. Get rid of them. Okay. I haven't gotten stung. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yes. Now I'm on the ground and they're still coming after me. Wow, can you see that? And these guys are big. I should say these gals are big. Look at that. Look at that. Really something.